Hi guys, we're at the HYDRA Island. Our first stop, we'll be doing 3 islands today. There is our cruise ship. There's the camera girl. Hope we get to send up the drone today. I hope you guys enjoy.
Stars, the celebrities. Of course, you will all be my celebrities in HYDRA today. What does this word HYDRA or HYDRA mean? It comes from the Greek word water, because in the ancient years, HYDRA had a lot of natural springs, a lot of water. But with the passing of the years and the different earthquakes, the natural springs got trapped into the rocks. And for this reason, the people of the island didn't have a lot of agriculture, a lot of water. Now, to survive, they built over 200 ships on this island, bringing lots of wealth to the island with our shipping and our commerce and our trade with the other countries. In the 17th and 18th century, we were a rich powerful island with a great fleet with a population of 28,000 people on this island. Today things are different. Our population is less than 3,000, but many tourists from all over the world, because HYDRA's Mountain, one of the most beautiful islands in all of the planet, actually by an American magazine. The occupation of the island, fishing and tourism. We rely on our tourists. We can all see right across the Peloponnese, the mainland. Actually, only a 2.5-hour drive from Athens. If you wish to take your car, you could leave it right across and come here with the sea taxi in 20 minutes. HYDRA has sea taxis and donkey taxis. This is the transportation of the island. No cars, not even bicycles. Of course, we have a garbage truck for the port, a fire truck, mini ambulance, and a helicopter for emergencies. We can all see under the flag of Greece and the flag of HYDRA a big statue. This statue representing a great hero who fought in the Greek War of Independence in 1824.
Well, they talk about like
Guys, we're walking. We're going through the. Where are we going through? Where are we going through? Where are we going through? I don't know. I know we're on the HYDRA Island. What are we doing here?
we're on a tour.
Go close so you can hear. Here, guys. This is their only way of transportation. Mother. It's a long slide.
Get out?
Oh my gosh. No. Are you joking?
All these are donkeys. Don't get right.
I know. Of course. These are all the shops. And we'll be going into this tower. Look, Black Magu. Look. Show them Black Magu. It's a beautiful Black Magu.
Reminding us that 12:50 we said la salida 12:50, le mariage 12:50 pour les grandes belles photos de le tour historique l'horloge. Maintenant on va visiter. This is the oldest. It's dedicated to our Holy Virgin Mary, as we can see at the entrance above the door. Now in this monastery, you will see modern riches, gold and silver and diamonds, rubies, icons of great value in gold making, all of which are donations from the different worshippers and from the great admirals who used to travel back then, bringing lots of wealth to the island. For example, right now, we have the main heroes of the island, Andreas Yanis, Lazarus Kouyotis. They are here because also all the important decisions back then with the revolution took place here in the monastery. Today in this cathedral, we have a priest. We don't have any. We can see the little ships under the chandelier, representing the main donators of the monastery. Up at the dome, you can see Jesus. Where it belongs, otherwise we won't make it. So the pirate got very angry. He broke the icon in half and threw it into the ocean. As soon as he threw it into the ocean, they were able to sail away. This icon traveled and was found in one piece back where it belongs miraculously at the seashore looking towards the monastery. This is why this monastery is dedicated to our Holy Virgin Mary. Now, our Holy Virgin Mary appeared to the pirate and told him to set free the three captives, the HYDRAs, to return back to their homeland as they did. And today it is called the icon of the Holy Virgin, the revealed, the appeared. Every 15th of August, we decorate the icon with flowers and have a ceremony down at the port. Very important day for all the Orthodox Christians all over the world. We celebrate the name of Saint Constantinos of the island. I will be waiting for my group outside after to go up the steps to visit the Byzantine Museum, where lies all the treasure of the island. Mes amis, l'icône miraculeuse de la Vierge qui était robée par les pirates dans le XVIIe siècle est miraculeusement retournée à l'île. Et maintenant, ce monastère...
Oui, c'est
The year of the museum. When we started keeping all the archives and the manuscripts. Where Jesus was crucified, the crucifixion cross. We got it from Constantinople in the 18th century, and we have it to bless the people. If you want to take a picture, I'll go stand there, and after we all meet downstairs to continue the walking tour in another direction, another exit. Okay? Okay. On a un petit morceau de bois de la croix de Jésus-Christ, la crucificación, si vous voulez prendre une foto. Tenemos una pequeña muestra de madera de la cruz de Jesucristo, si quieren sacar una foto. The HYDRA. We can see a square here with different statues representing all the great artists coming to the island, like and Pablo Picasso. We can see lemon trees, orange trees, filming a movie. You know who it was? Besides that, that's next. 007.
Yeah, I know.
A free Coca-Cola.
Exactly.
Bond. James Bond.
James
Roger
Bond.
Moore was on this island of 3,000 people. Can you imagine what was going on here? Just imagine. James Bond and the most beautiful women in all the world on this island. Disaster. Big disaster. No man was working on this island. Even my husband was at the port acting stupid. Thank goodness they're gone. But really, HYDRA became very famous by the movie played by Sophia Loren, The Boy on a Dolphin, 1960. That's when HYDRA started booming, getting famous worldwide. Also, we have Melina Mercouri and Anthony Perkins in the movie Pedra. We have a very famous Leonard Cohen from Montreal, Canada, famous singer. Does anybody know him? Really? He's my neighbor. Over now. This is the traditional flag of the island since the Greek War of Independence, 1821. La bandera de la isla de Hydra, le drapeau d'Hydra de l'île. Ladies and gentlemen, we can see the cross in the middle symbolizing that this was a religious war, and 96% are Orthodox Christians. The eye in the corner is the eye of God protecting the people. There's a little bird next to the eye, symbolizing our goal, our freedom. The anchor is upside down on purpose, symbolizing all the great heroes who lost their lives for their freedom and their country. 40, 45 au bateau, s'il vous plaît. Calimera, Calimera. I'm famous here. Everybody knows me.
Yes, you are.
And I forgot to tell you that we have a famous artist on the island named Elena Butzi, who created the Olympic Games medal 2004. Her symbol, her creation, will remain on one side of the medal for many, many years.
2004. That means Usain Bolt medal. Usain Bolt from
Olympic
Jamaica.
Games medal.
Yeah,
Yeah, we have it.
you got it.
Here
Nice.
we will stop to taste the traditional almond sweet mountain.